everyone, my name is Dr. Bliss and I will be your instructor for this course. We have a fantastic course ahead of us, and to show you a little bit about Moodle and where to find specific things for our course, I'm going to switch gears and share my screen in Moodle with you. Okay, so I'm over here in a web browser, and to log into our course, you will type moodle.esc.edu, and then you'll click on the title of our course, and that will bring us right here to our Intro to Proof and Logic course. When you log in, at the top of the screen, you're going to see the announcements area. For week 1, we have several things to focus on. So if you have not already completed the following steps in the pre-term period, please do them now, because once the course gets rolling, you want to be focusing on the mathematics and not on all the logistics of setting things up. So it is important that you do go through the Moodle orientation. If you're new to Moodle, I will be using Moodle for all of our communication. So there's announcements, which is what I'm in right now. I will also be sending individual messages with the button up here, which is the course messages area. And also in this Moodle orientation, it will talk about how to view your course grade and feedback, and that's really important in the course. Make sure you have the textbook and also print out the syllabus, or at least bookmark that. I also really recommend printing out the course schedule, because that is a to-do list of what you should need to focus on each week of the course. And then certainly if you have any questions about the navigation or course content, please post them on the Ask a Question board. Now, we don't want to post answers to homework problems here, like, hey, I got 10 for my answer, is that correct? You know, that's not allowed because our homework is graded. But if you're saying, oh, I'm really struggling with question number 7, can we talk about that, or can we do a similar example? I'm more than happy to share resources, make videos, and that sorts of thing. Okay, so let's go back to our course homepage. As I mentioned, the course schedule is a week-by-week breakdown of what you should be focusing on. So we have 15 weeks of the course, and they are listed here. Notice that the last week of the course is only 4 days, and the written assignments due on Wednesday that week, so that's a little bit of an unusual week, but normally we've got a week. It's 7 days. We've got a start date on Monday and an end date on Sunday. We've got discussions and written assignments. So a couple things to notice here. The written assignments, those are due on Sunday, the end of the week. But for your discussion, you know, we want to get that discussion started early in the week. If everybody posts on Sunday, there's not much time to actually discuss things. So I ask that you post the initial post by Wednesday and then 2 or more replies by Sunday. And as we get going with some of these more challenging discussions, you know, if you're stuck on an exercise, don't hesitate. Definitely go ahead and post and say, hey, everybody, here's what I have so far. I'm a little bit stuck. Any ideas? And that's exactly what these discussions are for. They're discussions, they're works in progress. It's not a place to post your masterpiece. Maybe by Sunday you should have a masterpiece, but we want to discuss things, and sometimes we are struggling, and that's perfectly okay. So as long as you have a great post by Sunday and you at least got started with posting by Wednesday, full credit is available. So don't be shy about letting us know where your questions are, and also helping each other, because I think that that's also really helpful for your own understanding when you kind of explain things or answer questions for other people. So let's go back to our course homepage. We also have the Ask a Question board here, so again, feel free to post questions. Along the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see there's the instructor contact area. There's also our list of assignments. You can see those there. And our discussion forums are listed here. So for the first discussion, I'll just go in here because this is what we're working on right now. For this first week, we are working on getting Maple installed. This is a free software available from SUNY Empire State College. I have a little tutorial video here from my CBlissMath YouTube channel, and I have a whole playlist available for our course, and I'm always adding to it. So if you have any questions or you want me to make a video on something, let me know, because that's where those videos have come from. They've come from students asking questions. So I'm always adding to those and thinking of different and better ways to explain or give more examples that illuminate the concepts. So don't be shy about asking questions. I'm here to help. And there's a video to help you get started with Maple. And your task is really just typing math notation. There's no math thinking to do this week. Just get the software on your computer, type up these expressions, and that will take a little bit of time to kind of poke around in Maple, because if it's new to you, it will take some time to figure out where these things are. So post that along with your introduction, and then we will get ready to get started with the mathematics in the course.